Page 21, Unit 7.
This is Ben. This is his family. This is his father. This is his mother. This is his brother. This is his sister.
Spell these words.
A lamp, L-A-M-P. A vase, V-A-S-E. A yolk, Y-O-L-K. A wall, W-A-L-L.
Daily expressions.
Turn on the light. Turn off the light.